Morning, everyone. 8:38 on this Wednesday, the 14th of June, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1794. Europe slightly higher, Asia slightly lower, and the big numbers for us today: PPI, core PPI, mortgage apps, and FOMC. So let's go to the numbers. PPI down 3/10 versus expectation of down 1/10 on the month over month. Ex food and energy, and we have up 2/10, and that is versus up 2/10 expected. Core CPI up 2.8 versus uh, up 3.1. So that's pretty much in line. Mortgage apps up 7%, up 8% for new purchases, and up 6% for refis. All of this data has produced absolutely no movement in the futures. The Dow futures were down 80, they're now down 74. The NASDAQ futures were up 28. They are now up 21. The S&P futures were up 6 or 7, now up 574. So really not a lot of action. Chart on the screen is copper. It's up there because I want you to see we are continuing to work into this apex, and the 5 week has turned back to the upside while the 20 is still falling down. But we do have a series of higher highs. Let's go to the daily and bring it up a bit. This is the last 6 months. Since making that low on that uptrend line, we have continued pretty much unabated straight up with, a day or two down here or there. But the big days have really pretty much been on the upside. We started down here at 354 and a half. This day we were up 9. Higher highs, higher lows. This day we were up 4, and yesterday we were up again 790. So today is an inside day. I'd like to see it be a higher low and a higher high. That would entail taking it back over 374 and a half, but I will keep you up to date on those. The oil recovered yesterday, continuing a little today. Yesterday was an inside day. So far today, we're higher high, higher low. Would really like to see us close above this short range day last week. Last Friday, we closed at 70.17, currently 69.98. So we're close, but we are clearly not there. As far as stocks go, UNH down 5.5% on comments at a Goldman Sachs conference. And the reason for that is the medical care ratio is moving higher, which means that they are warning against rising costs. Again, EU Commission objects to Google abusive practices of online advertising, and of course, California temporarily blocks Microsoft's acquisition of Activision because they are so on top of things. AMD, I told you last night, they are being considered for Amazon Web Services, but the stock was down yesterday. It's back up almost $4 today. Vodafone getting announce a merger to create one of Europe's leading 5G network. Meta, Piper Sandler raises to 310 from 270, and Tesla up $5. This would be the 14th day in a row on that one, getting a little excessive there. Although being adopted as for the chargers as the standard certainly goes a long way. All right, folks. Again, S&P now up 4, Dow down 79, and the Nasdaq is sitting pretty much right where it was, up about 17. Have a good morning. Oh, and don't forget FOMC this afternoon at 2 o'clock.